Hi, in front of me I have REALME Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force the restart on this device. To force the restart on this device, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the REALME logo on the screen. Basically it takes around 10 to 15 seconds, I believe. So let's press and hold the side button. And once you see the REALME logo on the screen, you can release the side button and wait until the device is done rebooting. And once it's done rebooting, you should see the watch face on the screen. That means that the device is done rebooting and you can use it again. And that's how you force the restart on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.